Beautiful, spacious Alexandria floor plan by Lennar, one of the few true 4-bedrooms. Watch the sunset from your extended lanai overlooking pond behind your new home. Kitchen boasts granite countertops and all-new LG Smart Black stainless steel that are connected to Wi-Fi. Diagonal tiles living areas and crown molding throughout. Ave Maria offers everything you need right in the community. Multiple golf courses, tennis courts, water park, jacuzzi, pools, fitness center, playgrounds, parks, restaurants, arcade, shopping, plenty of biking possibilities, Publix and even a fire station. A bar that wins best brewery all the time and food trucks almost every day. What more could you need?